guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria Alexandra here, and today's video will be on this Christmas makeup look here. It's very simple and easy to do, so if you want to see how this look was created, just keep on watching. Alright, so I already primed my lid with the Makeup Revolution concealer in C12 and set it with the Coty Airspun translucent powder. So first I'm going to take this liquid lipstick by NYX. It's the liquid suede. It's in Kitten Heels, and I'm going to use this as a base for my red shadow. Alright, next I'm going to take Saffron from the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I'm going to set that lipstick that I just placed on my lid and start to blend it out. I'm just going to take the end of this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, the fluffy end of it, and I'm going to further blend this red shadow out. For my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take Pyramid from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. Alright, I'm going to set my lower waterline with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and Toffee. Alright, I'm gonna take this Hunter Green shade from the, what is this? From the e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette. And I'm going to place this down. So I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and this little liner brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to line my waterline. Alright, I'm just going to apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Alright, so for lashes today, I'm taking the iMovie Iconic Lashes in the style 15. Alright, so I'm just going to take this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. I'm going to take this gold glitter side here and pop that in my inner corner. All right, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video.